English speaking practice. Topic: talking about my family. Part 1, Introduction. Hello friends. Welcome back to English speaking practice. Today's topic is talking about my family. This topic is very common in daily conversations. Speak clearly and confidently. Let's start. Part 2, Introducing my family. I live with my family. My family is very loving and supportive. There are 5 members in my family: my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me. We care for each other very much. Family is the biggest strength in life. Part 3, Talking about parents. My father is a hard-working person. He wakes up early every morning. He always motivates me to study and work hard. My mother is very caring and kind. She cooks delicious food for the family. She takes care of everyone at home. I respect my parents a lot. Part 4, Talking about siblings. I love spending time with my brother and sister. We talk, laugh, and play together. Sometimes we watch movies together. Sometimes we help each other with work. We also celebrate festivals and birthdays happily. Good family relationships bring happiness in life. Part 5, Conversation about family. A. How many members are there in your family? B. There are 5 members in my family. A. What does your father do? B. My father works very hard for our family. A. Do you help your mother at home? B. Yes, I help her whenever possible. A. That's very good. B. Thank you. Part 6, Confidence Practice. I enjoy learning English every day. I practice speaking regularly. I can speak English confidently. Mistakes help me improve. I am becoming fluent slowly. Practice gives me confidence. I believe in myself. Part 7, Closing. Thank you for practicing with me today. Repeat these sentences daily for better fluency. Keep speaking English without fear. Practice is the key to success. See you in the next English speaking practice session.